Welcome back, guys. We are back with another bang, with another amazing recipe, and I just want to welcome you and thank you for your support, continued support. And yeah, we are doing with African dish today. Let's roll together. Hi guys, yeah, I'm back. This is what I'll be using. These are my vegetables. So I've got your green pepper, your red onion, tomato paste, normal onion, the yellow onion, and I've got about 3 tomatoes here, large ones. So I've got 2 small ones, and then I've got my ginger, I've got my garlic, about 2 cloves or 3 cloves of garlic. It depends on your appetite of garlic. Then I've got my spices here. I've got my thyme, Cayenne pepper, I've got my all season spice, I've got my black pepper, I've got my raja, we call it raja, it's a curry powder here in South Africa. And then I've got my bay leaves here. I don't have the maggi, they call it maggi. You know, this is West African dish, it's not a dish that we cook here, so I don't have. But with the spices that I have, I'll still get the amazing flavor of my jollof rice. And here I've got my pre-boiled rice. I throw in some green beans, and I just parboil it with my broth. I had chicken broth that was stored in the fridge. So let's go, guys. Guys, I'm using coconut oil, the organic one. But you can use any type of oil you like. I just like the flavor that the coconut oil brings. Oil. I've added the oil already. I'm just the stove here. I think yeah, guys, I've added the onions and the green peppers. I'm gonna add the ginger, and then I'll add the garlic and the other spices in the next few minutes. So I'm just gonna let this saute for a few minutes, and I'm adding my garlic. And I'm gonna add the raja. And the bay leaf and the thyme. And the rest I'll add them later. So I'm gonna let this to fry for a few minutes. I'm also gonna add the tomato paste so that it fries, so the bitterness comes out. Yeah. This is it. It's my tomato paste and everything else. So I'm gonna add in my blended tomatoes, and then I'm gonna add in the rest of the spices and let them boil for some few minutes. Then I'll show you when they're ready. Yeah, guys, that's my soup. I'm gonna be adding my rice. Remember, the rice is pre-boiled, so it's not fully cooked. Yo. It's not fully cooked. So I'm gonna mix it first and add some broth to then cook the rice. You can see how it's looking yummy. Yo, it's quite a dish, guys. It's so baked, like I'm cooking for...
Roti. Sorry guys.
My son is spectating games Fortnite while we are doing a video. Wow. So this is it. I'm gonna stir it. Stir it. I don't like using plastic spoons, so I'm gonna use this. You can see it's nice and red. And oh, I forgot, I'm adding mixed veggies, which I never showed you guys at the beginning. This cooks faster, so I don't have to stress as to how long they're gonna actually cook. So I have some broth here. I'm just gonna add my stock into my rice for it to boil. So I'm gonna let this simmer for 10-15 minutes depending on the rice that you're using, and then the rice is ready. Hi guys, this is my meat. I did it that I'm going to use for the jollof rice. So I marinated this last night, so I kept it overnight. So I used rosemary, thyme. I also used aromat and some garlic salt. Yeah, and that's it. So I'm gonna fry this. Yebo. This is my jollof. You can, I think the camera doesn't do justice to the color, but it looks so good. It looks so yummy. Oh, I'm going to dish up and we're going to munch. I'll see you when we're munching. Guys, this is my jollof rice. So this is my pumpkin. And I'm going to munch and taste. It looks yummy, guys. It's hot. But it's super yummy. Super yummy.